I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, it's Pigs Travels here. Today we have a package from CTRL. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more unboxings and taste tests of the CTRL, because we're going to be doing a lot more of this each month. We're going to be buying it, but this package here came smashed. Not sure how it happened or what, but went out and grabbed it from outside and it was like this. Hopefully none of the stuff inside it's all ruined, but let's get into unboxing this. Yeah. Yay, we got some really nice packing paper with their logo all over it. It's CTRL. I'm gonna lay this out. I'm gonna have to set that like that. There. So we got the sample peanut butter, which looks damaged. It has like some weird stuff here, and like I don't even know if that's punctured through. On focus. There's a pinhole right there. So this is the order note of what I got. Got banana split, meal replacement 2 pounds, 23 grams of protein, 280 calories. Here's the back of it. You guys can pause the video at any time you want and read anything that's on these packages. This one doesn't seem like it's damaged or has any like hole looks. That's good. Here's meal replacement of shake, the cookies and cream shake of the shake. Still no damage on this one. Seems like the small one only took damage. And then we got strawberries and cream. And they're like caked. They're like up here. Whole bag's full of powder, which is really nice. I'm really stoked about these. I just slightly wish they didn't come in bags, because I don't know how protective these bags are. Let's move the box. Get that out of here. And then we're gonna... It's not gonna slide. It's too heavy. I'm gonna pause the video real quick. Alright, so here is all of it set out. We got the cookies and cream, banana split, and strawberries and cream, and the peanut butter crunch. Yeah, I'm excited for the peanut butter crunch because I was gonna try mixing that with these two, banana split and strawberries and cream. I don't know how well it would go with that, because you know, Oreos. Anyways, that was the CTRL unboxing. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. It will let us know that you guys want to see more. Make sure to check out the links down below. It helps a lot. And stay tuned for some taste tests of the CTRL. Yeah.